Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I wanted to show you how to change a handle on a pull start for a lawnmower. So basically what you want to do is you want to pull it out a little bit. So just grab the thin set of needle nose pliers. Just hold it like this. Push it up. Push it in a little bit. And once it's in, you can see the knot right here. And what you want to do is just get the needle nose in there like this. There we go. So here it is. So just keep pulling, and all it is basically just a knot on the end of a rope. Basically what you just got to do is you have to get two sets of pliers, grab the knot here with the pliers, and then grab the other piece here with another set of pliers, and just keep pulling till they come apart. Here is the new piece right here. It's an OEM replacement. It looks exactly like the Briggs handle. So as you can see, it's an exact replacement for the Briggs & Stratton. It looks exactly the same. The only difference is the Briggs one actually says Briggs & Stratton on it right here, and the Stens one does not. If you have a hard time doing this, what you could do is you could take a vice grip and you could just pinch the rope over here just to hold it so that it won't go back in. If you can get another pair of pliers or vice grips, what you could do is grab the knot over here. Then you want to just take it and stick it in the end of the new handle. And you'll see it come through the handle. There it is. Take the rope and twist it inside, and eventually it'll push itself in. Just take the needle nose pliers again, just stick them inside and grab it. There it is. Then what you could do is, with a cigarette lighter, you just want to burn the edge of it really quickly. Again, we're not setting this on fire, we're just making sure that the tip of it doesn't come frayed and undone anymore. We're just cauterizing it. So once you do that, what you want to do is just take it and tie it in a knot. Just make sure you get the tip in a knot. Don't put the edge too close to the end of the knot because you don't want it to come undone. You want to give it a little bit of space right here, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And once you do that, just pull really hard on it. Just make sure the knot is not going to come undone. Just let it go back in. Put it back in the handle. Pull it nice and tight. You've got a brand new handle installed. That's all you got to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. If you wanted to get one of these, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below so you can pick one of these up for yourself. And if you can, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks for watching. Take care.